In this video, I want to go over a step-by-step on how to install our Ultradyne muzzle brakes that utilize our collar and timing nut system. So this will be our Apollo Max, our Apollo S, our Mercury, our Pegasus, our Pulse, and our Athena. This will be valid for all those brakes. So I'm going to demonstrate with my Apollo Max. So all of our brakes will come with a shrouded timing nut, and this timing nut, the shroud will face the barrel and it'll thread right on. So you'll want to thread that all the way until it makes contact with the shoulder of your barrel. You'll then take your muzzle brake, and it comes with our spacing collar. This will just go over the neck of the muzzle brake to take the place of our Dynamount front sight. And so then you will thread on that muzzle brake. All the way until it makes contact with that timing nut. You'll then back it off until it is properly timed. And so I like to use bubble levels. I'll take those out. And so the same as if you were leveling a scope, I like to mount my rail level onto my rail and my bubble level on top of my muzzle brake. That way I can get my muzzle brake level with the rest of my firearm. If you don't have bubble levels, you can just eyeball it. Obviously make sure your chamber is always empty and you have cleared everything before you do this. And so you're going to want to time your muzzle brake. What I mean by time is you want this top surface to be level with the rest of the firearm, and the top surface is the one with the two muzzle rise mitigation V-ports on top. And so we'll get this level with our firearm. I have mine locked into my ball head here, so I'm going to go ahead and move my ball head until my rail is level, and now I can match up my muzzle brake to match the rail level. I'll then back off my timing nut until it makes contact, and then I'm going to torque these two together to 25 foot-pounds. So I'll utilize a torque wrench. We will have a wrench guide on what size wrench you need for every muzzle brake below in the comments, so check that out to know which wrench you'll need for your specific muzzle brake. But for this one, I have a 15/16 wrench for my timing nut. I'll put that on, and then my wrench flats utilize a 7/8 inch wrench on the torque wrench. So I'll maintain my level, torque it down. I have that set to 25 foot-pounds. So I get to that proper torque, and now I'm properly installed, and I'm ready to go shooting.